Molweni bahlali, welcome to Sporting Culture. Igama ngumzi Jonas, sama noBrady, uTimpo behind the camera, nogxa wami umqeqeshi. Mqe, kunjani busi?
Sure Tamsi, kuright bhuta khona kunjani?
Yeah, kuhle Dabiro. Today we'll be looking into isquad Bafana Bafana announcement ka Hugo Bruce, Ric Flair, 26-man squad eya ku World Cup. Starting off, sino goalkeeper bathathu. Kwi-preliminary we had 4, ngoPeterson, but the selection now, nguRonza, nguGos, nguChayine. You know, are you happy with the 3? Ukhona ubuzamdropa ureplace ngomnye or thini?
Yeah, no, with kulanto kube khona bengamdropa, which is uCross, yabo, ndifake omnye replacement power, yabo. So uCross we didn't see much, yabo. He's been a squad player, but throughout ngoku sinida umuntu obesimbona and ihype uba behind Bafana Bafana, yabo. So bengamdropa Tamsi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So buzodrop uGos, ugcina uRonza uChayine.
Yes.
I also feel like uGos bengana season inhle kangako, you know. Consider 7 goals, you know, it took away from also, you know, umsebenzi wakhe bewenza throughout the years. But yeah, he's been a good goalkeeper for quite some time. And also, you know, bendiyazi uba kuzawuba nzima ukumsusa kwesa squad, you know, because he's been there for a while, yabo. So now team leyana eyaza nayo, you know. So but at the same time uthi uHugo Bruce udropa uPeterson because of integration into the squad. Akamazi into yokubana uzawudlala ungumuntu onjani,
in terms of behavior.
Yeah, umazi only as a goalkeeper, which I feel like uyalanduka pha, you know, he's just akana excuse, you know, uzama nje into anoyithethe ngathi yabambeka, you know, because if I'm fighting for a position, you know, so and ndizayifumaniseka uba I am performing well for that position, but andizoyifumana la position but just because awundazi njengomuntu onjani. It also speaks ke ngoku to, you know, le nto emane ithetha uba you have to play good kuze ube pha. Yabo. So nxa ufumaniseka uba you are performing top 4, now uzawugcinwa because mna nawe we have relations siyazana, where someone else performed better, you know. So it's very, very disappointing from Hugo Leia Ipat, you know. Yeah. So yeah, and then kwa right back, I'll mention both right and left. Kwa right back we have Mudau, we have Matuludi from Ipolokwane, and then we have Usbelebele from Orlando Pirates. And ngapha sinomodiba, uKabini and Cross, you know. Are those numbers well balanced? Three la position nganye, or uzawudropa okanye uzawwenza njani?
Yeah, Tamsi, kaza numbers unodropa pha. I don't feel ukuthi you need a 3-3 because position. I think you need a 2-2. You know, and one of them is gonna play starter sakho first 11 yakho le, yabo. Depending on situation ku tournament ihamba njani, get injured, get suspension, then you play the second one. Then the second one lays out to take over to number 1 wakho. Then number 1 wakho nxebuya, or depending on the situation team, then you're moving forward. But bringing 3, then you are making into you overload the lowest start to udlala nini, kwenzeka ntoni guys, just adding numbers. Oh, I feel like that mna. But there was no need it's 3-3 in ansika zakho. Right back and left back yakho. Be right 2-2, then to make sure into game time uyayifumana, build the momentum so that nalo wesibini abone ba anytime I can play because I'm close to ukudlala. Lo wesithathu uzawuthini? I-momentum yakhe izaba njani? Izinto bezithetha ke ze-attitude intoni zakhe izaba njani? Uyabona ba mos I'm down the pack, down there for ukudlala.
Yeah.
So I would say mna Tamsi, i-2 right, 2 to my side.
Okay. Ndiyakuva Tabi, but I'd say ndingazigcina eza numbers.
So 3.
You know,
Yeah.
because now we World Cup,
Okay.
you know, sibetha sisawudlala nabantu aba tactically disciplined more than thina. You know, abane technique that is a bit far up ahead than le yethu. You know, so there are chances of us collecting amakhadi. You know, so kufumaniseka kubana kuzawunideka i-replacement. You know, and we are not sure ba abantu bazawucollecta kangakanani. Yeah, so bazawunida as a replacements, I mean as a substitute. So, you know, I'd say ndingabagcina 3-3. I'd say I'd say ndingabagcina. And then your center midfield we have uTLB Umbokazi, we have Undamane, we have Makhanya, obesandobizwa from Philadelphia, playing in the US. We also have Okon no Sibisi. Are you happy with la 5 center mid?
In terms of number yayo, now again inkulu, yabo mostly ke benza uthi namhlambi you bring in uTLB, you bring in uCBC, you bring in Okon, you bring in uMakhanya. Yabo, because uMakhanya he's been doing well. I think igama lakhe limentionwe kakhulu ngabalandeli, and we have seen njengoba ngabe naphakathi team yakho uyaperform. Yabo, dropping in uNdamase, drop uNdamase because I've been complaining ngezinto ezenzayo, yabo. I've been complaining, so benza mdropa yena definitely. Then ndishekela lamajita my-4 ndibuilde i-combination kuwo 2-2 to make sure ndoba ngamanye center backs am zoyi-2 ziyacombine. If ndithi uTLB ndimdlalisa noSibisi, experience ne-young blood bajele boyi-2 bakhule, or ndithi Okon nolanto kanoTLB, yabo beza kwenza lo hlobo ndithi make sure bazihlala zona ziyi-4, then ndina 2-2 whatever nto yenzeka, i-suspension lento bendishilo, i-injuries, and then I have people that I can cover ezo zona kwezo spaces abe zisenzeka egamini. Yabo, so mna bendibona njalo uba no drop uNdamase ushiyeke nge-4 man.
Okay, so Undamane siyamdrop because of hasn't been convincing performance yakhe ever since efike kuMamelodi Sundowns, and is prone to making mistakes. So vumelana nawe.
Okay,
and then kwa center midfield, you know, we have your Mokoena, you know, we have your Yaya Sithole, we have Jayden Adams, we have Umbata. So nwabile lelanani?
Yeah, good number. That's what I was talking about from there on. But mostly what I know is that as a coaches, there are places that you want more people there because you know ukuthi yabo bakhendlishe izinto ngendlela ethile, ufuna into ezithile yabo. But now I'm happy la number. Le number besithi overall kusaboza izinamba zinjalo yabo. For because you have uLanduka, uMokoena, Adams, good combination from club level going to Bafana. I think they're gonna still bazawujayela because of already performed the highest level, yabo. And then ube no talent Umbata, and then Sithole. He's been a club, he's been a part of Ilanduka national team yabo. So that is why, but angabikho convincing nguye. Angaqoli in terms of umsebenzi wakhe as Bafana player. So we still need more kuye, and hopefully this coming World Cup uzasibonisa ukuthi no man, there's a reason coach is sticking him. So I'm happy terms in la number yapha in midfield.
Okay, so uyayabuza mgcina even naye.
Yeah, benako umgcina in terms of kuba sesiza yabo, andinamntu ndingathi ngoku ndiyamcinga uba makayi pha yabo, because of uMabhowa we-Kaizer Chiefs i-performance yakhe is not that ba makangene ngoku pha yabo. So bendinathi no, bengabagcina abayi-4.
Okay,
bengabagcina abayi-4.
Okay, Mabowe kodwa uyangqongqoza.
Yeah, it's knocking.
Okay. Okay, and then we have your forwards. Buttons as differentiator, you know, there was a list is good as strikers, you know, as forwards, you know. So I would say attacking midfielders, which is your Zwane, Shishi, which is your Apolis, which is Urele, Umaseko, Moremi, you know. Are you happy with the numbers? Zembe.
Yeah, izembe kuMoreni leya straight. Yeah, hlaba straight izembe ba simkhuphe ecaleni uMoreni yabo. But otherwise I'm happy with them, and then experience from Uzwane to uLandika uApolice uRere unomfana uMaseko. We have seen the last friendly ungene wenza into is right for us, but yeah, you miss into the spark to being yakho yabo. So yeah, but I will drop uLandika uMoreni, I will drop him in a serious terms.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Uyibona njani?
So okay. Ndifuna uzathuze as to why uzamdropa
lo mfana ne. Okay. UMoremi, like I feel ukuthi one dimension, like there is no way ukuthi lo mshito uzawureach ceiling yakhe yabo. It's like I feel ukuthi le ndlela adlala ngayo akachange even kwi-local team yakhe, i-decision azithathayo azikho-great. Taking a shot out of nowhere, udriblisha whereby funeka edlalile, he's making a cross ufumanisa uba there's no one at the box. Just keep the ball, just make sure iyayistela ilantuka i-defense yabo babuye and then kungene umuntu nge-run. So I feel like la mshita ever since ndimbukela even kule season he has not been improving kwabafana. Last AFCON naye khange ndibe happy indlela yakhe yabo, so mna ngamdrop.
Okay, so he has reached his ceiling yakhe kazoqophoza.
Ndimbona inyuka ngapha kwaye.
Okay, and then we have our strikers, which is Ngwanasisi, Makgopa, Foster, Ikram Reyners. Sikremba or sifake izembe pa.
Yeah, iroti ifake izembe straight iroti Makgopa. It's been too long iroti, even as a club level iphele ithathelwa nguMbotuma starting 11. So usho ukuthi iroti seva kakhulu because babesithi ungumuntu akuneeds goals nentoni kuyo yabo, but we going to the big tournament, we need the goals. We need to make sure the team excel. I will keep them as strikers to Ufosa noNansika no Reyners, and I will give much pleasure to Reyners, because I think in terms of Bafana, we cannot expect no better than perform. Because I'm just some drop Bafana with no reason, yabo, and kudala and kungongozwa abantu bamakabizo kibafana yabo, and then umadala ngafuna umbizi. So umbizile ngoku hopeful into bangabana uzawuthi kuye you deserve to be here, and I will give you a chance to bangabana mawuzibona just opportunity yabo. Tamisela mshita uperforme kukhipha ubezi phambi kwakhe club level ukuliyo uperformile la mshita. I think urishile ilana i2 digits kwinanti goals kule season, so it show into bangabana mshita even though bengasave i-backup but uperformile. So kule bafana call up ngoku masimnike sithi Reyners indambo sizibeka kuwe ngoku khabe nguwe. Ufosa has been there. He's been the Bafana player, but I think now pressure is too much, and then even last friend as well. Yeah, but it's not. But I think not too much pressure, man. So right in no Reyners, sit drop it. Okay,
now I feel like we strikers two drop Ngwanasisi. You know, because we have attackers as Tando 30 shots, you know, is in midfield, attacking midfield too, you know, whether the creative or the holder, the defensive, because we know Mokwena omhle shot, you know, you have Umbata omhle taking shots, you have your Apolis, your Rele, who are taking midfielders as Tando 30 shots, you know. As in creating much for a striker per se, badlalelwa striker, you know. And even when we have your players from Makgopa, zidlala in and around the box, you know, because it's not players that is Tlalayo and Zlinder udlalelwa or something, so that's a scorer, you know. So I would say Nam Itu, it makes sense, you know. Even and then going back to Umoremi, I also agree with you. I'd also fuck his head, man. I'd also fuck his head, man. You know. Now, having having gone through Songa as a squad, you know, Zezipi players, you know, Obunga Skositrope Abandu along the way. Sitrope Abandu. and then sidrope abantu, and then andikho sure nge-mic yakho. All along ibe off, you know, andikho sure. But yeah, okay. Yeah. So along the doors, sidropile abantu and we did not replace, you know. So if unayo ilistanyana or a couple of players obunqwenela uzibona phayana to replace umuntu or just nje
from starting from abo besiqale khona, from a goalkeeper, in my point of view, this is my own opinion, I do not threaten anyone and personally, but I would love Peterson there. In terms of Peterson have made big save this season, big save. He save with Masba. This is what we buy a keeper for. This is what we have a keeper for. This is what we develop keeper for. And as South Africans, we like to believe in people. We like to, like, as a South Africans, we have to spend a story. Going to the World Cup, going to the Ilandu AFCON. So I think most of South Africans, they have seen Ulanduga, Peterson, even opposite clubs, everyone in South Africa have seen. So I think if they it will boost in the fans. You know, you feel good, you have worked hard, you deserve you not deserve Ubonwa City is the fans soccer, but he deserves so I will give him
okay, and then dropa Undamase. I'm sure if you corner buzayifaka or just umuntu onomention nje.
Lo mfana we Sundowns man, ulunendevu. Mfana uright kakhulu. Composure, discipline, and good defensive line, you feel good to so I would love to see Messi at World Cup, but I understand again mostly I think we call it injury, shoulder injury. I think even Kwagla so I think busy but now we love umbona Panama with defenders
Oh yeah. I also feel like by the way Peterson usebenzile, you know, he picked up from previous seasons where he was down at a rough patch, you know. The results bezingakho kwicala lakhe, you know. I feel like this season, I think ngoyena wenze most crucial saves this season.
True.
Yeah, well, most crucial saves nguye, and also clean sheets zakhe, you know, even though we applaud Uchina, you know, and also considering Peterson kangadlali the whole 30 games of the league, you know. Akadlalanga zonke game, but at least uzamile, you know, to have as many clean sheets as he can. Had a better performance in my view than most of, or rather all of the goalkeepers, because his defense wasn't as solid, you know, as
teams,
your Sundowns and your, you know, and your Pirates. So I feel like Peterson was a better keeper than most this season, and of course, like, not to take away anything from Uchai, because I feel like Ngoyena wenzeka kakhulu, of course, and the numbers show, you know. But I feel he should be our third choice goalkeeper, not based on as attitude yake. You know, he should be there based on his performance, you know,
in the field.
Because of earning his stripes to be there, you know. I feel like Hugo, you know, this is the same Hugo of Negastate City Tembazwan. But now no replace Uzwan. I feel like Ulanduga should be there, and he deserves to be there, Brendan Peterson, because zonke as a players uqale nazo engazazi by attitude ithini xana zingadlaliyo xa zingakhethwanga for ukuba masiqale igame. So why now is this an excuse when it comes to Peterson, you know? So you said you would drop Undamane. I think we are in agreement about Undamane. He hasn't had like a great season. So Cupido is solid. I've been a fan since they played Club World Cup, you know. He like that is comfortable, is stable, we are, his thinking is profound, timing yakhe yebhola proper, so uNdamane, Lizembe in uCupido, and then uMakhanya, I think, is versatile, because asimazi kangako. I think he plays your center left and center right, and we saw comfortable ebholeni. I'm not sure about maybe he gets too carried away. Okanye kuba lulidlala neteam because umbona engapha kwe-right wing echiza umuntu pha, yawo echiza abantu phana and comfortable, but it's good to see his comfortability, his skills and everything, but we're not sure ke ukuba laa nto ke ngoku sambona edrifta eyotsho kwenye iposition,
throughout the tournament.
Yeah, and you said you are happy nge-defense, and then your Maseko, your Moremi, attacking, the numbers are grand.
Phana Tamsi bendinako udropa because obviously midfielder yethu uMokoena, center midfielder zethu Adamsi, Uyaya, lo mfana uTalele Mbatha i-right 100% is defensive midfielder ngabantu bayi-engine i-6 uthini
ndimobuyisele apho I wanted to get ba uthe uyamdropa uMoremi. Who are you replacing?
Nxa ndidropa yena ndafaka ulentwana uMatthews ne-Sundowns. I feel ukuthi lana deserve to ba ifumane call up, i-performance yayo iperforme kakhulu in terms of the last run yabo yinansika i-Champions League and i-games zabo zokugqibela ze-league yabo, he was fighting out. Times ezinto suppose kule nto siyincokola masa, you deserve to be called by umsebenzi wenze balini, i-working rate yakho against different opponents, yabo, i-consistency, yabo, izezo nto ezikwenza uba mawubizwe kwi-squad at the international level, yabo. So ndiyambona la mfana unayo kakhulu, ndiyayibona uba uyenzile into yakhe, yabo. And I will also drop times uZwane. I will drop uZwane mna times give ulanduka uPatrick Maswangayi, give a chance kuPatrick Maswangayi to fulfill i-boots zikaZwane, because i-last dance intoni times we do not need ezo nto ezo. Uzwane has been there, not taking anything away from Uzwane. He's been there. He's been a best player for iminyaka, and we have cried at some time kuba makabizwe kubafana bafana and waza and waperforma, but to see kule season Uzwane kangabe mninzi kwi-team yakhe in terms of injury nendoni, yabo. So and nendlela abadlala ngayo different from club level kule season, so kangabe mninzi. So I will say into bangamana umdrope ufake uMaswangayi half number 10, umntana umnandi, combinations zakhe, ngumuntu short passes, le nto sithetha ngayo times most of ilantuka zethu i-attacking players zethu number 10 bethu, they like to take a shot. Police rare, they like to take a shot, but uMaswangayi do i-combination phuma ibhola ungene eboxini, striker sakho score, or yena phakathi eboxini akora. Sizibonile i-goals zakhe kule season. Sure,
no, I feel like uZwane no Tito ayizo 90 minutes players. Yabo, players dlala funeka uzisapha, but at the same time I feel like uThemba Zwane is the most creative kwesasisu, so I would definitely keep him. And also, his combination play is better, so I would keep him. I wanted to go par Emva, I forgot to mention, I would have Ukros, it's either Ukros or Ukabini. Bendizawuba dropper for giftlings, but I'll come back phana. Is there another player ofuna mention? Players that deserve to be
there? No, man. Mention as long I think but on my side I think I'm happy with Ilandika.
Yeah. I mentioned Cupido, ngingqinelana nawe.
Yes.
Roshin De Rook. Yeah, well, he is one of the players and his land guy. It's just that asina access yakhe, Silva nje ba wenza kahle ba ku Simba Tanzania. He's one of the players, Grant, experience ka Grant is solid Grant, and and now I would mention Giftlings endaweni ka Cross okanye Kabini, because Giftlings win a Danish Super League. Recently won the Danish Super League, and then at the same time he's a contender for a player of the season. We have South Africans as Azupa. But now he's a contender. Chances are very positive. But Itata player of the season. And also our great players that won a Danish Super League were part of Bafana setup. Sibusiso Vilakazi, your Vilakazi, he won it with Arloch Libelle team. And Bafana player. Also Unomvete. I think same team, ne? But uzofumanise okanye ndiyaba twister here and there. But Unomvete why winner? He was in the Bafana setup. Elrio van Heerden won it, I think, with the Copenhagen, was in the Bafana setup. Uri Uzoma with the Copenhagen was in the Bafana setup, So and these are exceptional players that won league Danish, Danish Super League. And league yabo, it's ranked around because kuko global football rankings, UEFA rankings, kuko Octa Plus or Octa something rankings. Zoi 3 as a rankings, enye ibarenka kwa 11, enye ibarenka I think kwa 13, enye ibarenka kwa 14. So league yabo is not as bad as abantu think, So I feel like we are missing out on Giftlings. And last I checked, even at 12 man of the match performances.
Which is true to consistency.
It speaks to consistency. And Umjita is a left back, is a winger, is a forward. I feel like we are missing out Sibisi country Giftlings. And let me not go further. If you have any.
Jamsi, good luck to Bafana going forward. Hopefully they're gonna make us proud. We are behind them 100%. We're gonna be frustrated, we're gonna be angry, but at the end of the day, we must support as a son of the soil. Short terms.
And go sinike bahlali for watching Uspori Culture. Igama ngumzi Jonas, sema no Brady, no Tapiro. Peace.